Okay guys, this is my quick unboxing and review of the dummy battery. Now this is a dummy battery for the Canon T3i LP E8 battery. So what is this used for? Well, for me, since I do live streaming, I need to keep my camera on for a long period of time. So this is very useful, and you can power it up by just simply connecting to your PC or a power bank. Let's have a look. Okay, so here we are. Now I have a quick demonstration on how to set this up in just a few minutes. So far I'm pretty satisfied with the dummy battery. I think it works great. It's fantastic. Let's have a look. I mean, it is plastic, but it does what it's supposed to do. It has a pretty long cord, so you can see it has the USB. Alright, so the two ways you can power this up, you can either connect it to a wall. You can have a charger, like a regular power charger. I have one here. It's just as a demonstration, and you can connect it, and then you can just plug it in right to the wall like so. And here I will demonstrate how to use it with your Canon this is a Canon T3i, by the way. So let me show you how this works. Now let me just tell you before I keep going, this is also compatible with Canon T2 Rebel series, T2i, T4i, T5i, 600D, 700D, and then KISS X4, X5, and X6. So you can use this battery for all those cameras. Alright, so what we want to do, put this to the side, and then we're gonna insert the battery. You're gonna make sure that this part is facing down. Those are the threads right there. And we're gonna put it in, and where the notches come open from that rubber part, and we close this off, and then you're ready to go. And you'll turn on the camera, and you'll be set to go. So this will either go to your wall, or you can connect it right to your PC. So there it is, guys. I'm very satisfied with this product so far. I think it works great. It's fantastic. I like having this long cord with it, and it'll power your camera for a very long time. So if you watch my live streams on YouTube, you'll notice that I'm on for at least 2 hours, and this is exactly how it's powered. So it works great. Thanks so much for checking out my review, and I definitely recommend it. Alright, bye. So welcome to my storefront on Amazon. But here's the part that I like the best. So whenever I get asked about my gear, as far as guitars, as far as streaming, the mics I use, the cameras I use, the lighting, and all things of that nature, now I have a place where I can just share that with you guys. Alright guys, thanks so much. I look forward to your feedback, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.